Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread pudding. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients you likely have on hand, like ripe bananas and day-old bread. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the rich custard mixture that gives this dessert its incredible texture. Finally, we'll assemble everything and bake it to golden perfection, ready for you to enjoy a warm, comforting treat. This guide will help you create a perfect dessert every time. For the best banana bread pudding, selecting the right ingredients is key. You'll want 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, as their natural sweetness truly shines through. Grab about 6 cups of day-old bread, like challah or brioche, which absorbs the custard beautifully. The rich custard base combines 4 large eggs, 2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar, perfectly seasoned with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, let's put it all together. First, tear or cube your day-old bread into 1-inch pieces and arrange them in a baking dish. Next, slice your ripe bananas and spread them evenly over the bread layer. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over everything, ensuring all the bread is well coated. For the most tender and flavorful pudding, let this mixture soak for at least 30 minutes, allowing the bread to fully absorb the delicious custard. It's time to bake your delicious creation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the pudding for 45 to 55 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and set. You can check for doneness by inserting a knife near the center. It should come out clean. Serve this comforting dessert warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a decadent drizzle of caramel sauce.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.